Welcome to another episode and video on my ESP32 right here. It is connected to an LED as well as to an LCD. Point is though that last time I rewired the lot and the LCD doesn't work yet, but in order to get it working I had to rewire. Problem is that you can see that the breadboards are actually 3 breadboards and they are loosely connected, and if I turn it up you can see the main problem. Here it has no lines left, so I had to wire into the next breadboard. This is not nice this way, although for 2 wires it may work, but I figure they should go between the pins, between the GPIO pins, so I want to do that. Apart from that, I took a script from internet, like I showed you last time, to check out the address for the LCD, I2C, I2C address, and remarkably that didn't work out. When I connect them like this, it doesn't see anything. When I disconnect either one of them, it gives a lot of I2C addresses. So I still have to figure that one out. So this episode starts out with a rewiring and a new attempt to figure out how to wire and connect the LCD. And to do the first immediately, let's see how I can do that. Because if I take these away, I have to take care of this wiring as well. Oh, another thing by the way, when I start, when I connect it freshly, not just this LED starts burning, but this one as well, and after a while it stops burning. Now the script that I wrote tells that it should blink. Well, that it certainly does not, but why it starts glowing softly and then stops, I don't know. So that's another thing to wonder about. Anyway, some wires to redo actually. Those are the pins next to each other on that side. So how to actually do that nicely? I can keep this one like it is and rewire this one. So let me see how to do that nicely. This is one, and this one should go right here, if that works out. Alright, that looks like it does work out. So one still here, and this one from the lines. Yeah. The only thing is, when I connect more lines, it will be more difficult. But anyway, this is done. Now let's see if we can get some valid stuff from here. Alright, so now when thinking about it, the example says you have to connect ground and 5 volts. Well, this is 5 volts, but this is not ground. So, well, this is 5 volts now. So this is ground, so I actually have to move the wire here. And so this becomes a little bit awkward. It is the 6 pin, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then wires go everywhere. So I have to make sure that they are really nicely done. 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Then once again, with all the wiring, nicely between the pins. And that was the solution. See, I have now a working LCD. That means that with the program to get the address, it should now be working. So let's try that one. And of course I need to reroute this one to the 6 pin. First of all, turn this one off, then with this wire 3, 4, 5, 6. So once again, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is going to be a problem because these holes are a little bit tighter. But it should be doable. Because it did work, as you just saw. 4, 5. Not very convincing. Oh wait, it's the wrong lane. It should be in here. And now they are really a mess. And then plug in this one. Yes, right, it works again. Very nice. So now time for the script to run. Tools, everything set, and serial terminal, which has to be set to the decent baud rate, although it doesn't show anything. So let me upload this one. and see whatever happens. Done uploading. Very good. Okay, serial monitor. Because yes. Okay. It is 0x27. Very nice indeed. Which I have to write down, of course, somehow. Grab a piece of paper and alright, and that's exactly what I wanted to see. So that's it. So now the question is, how do I address it in this program? And that's a nice one. So let's go figure that one out. Alright, and now it is getting interesting. According to the example that I have here in the browser, I should be able to do it like this. Now the interesting thing is right here, because this is, as far as I'm concerned, C, while instantiating is normally something that is used in object-oriented programming, and this and C is not object-oriented. C++ is. Now here in the example they use LCD and then several functions of the LCD function, which are actually part of the header file, which I have included here. So now I am very curious if this is indeed the correct way to do it. If not, I will have to put everything like this. Then I have to replace every LCD instance by liquid crystal I2C. But let's see how this works out. Oh, one more thing, of course. For now, quit. Then this is correct, this is correct. Okay, let's go and see whatever it takes. Error compiling. Where does it compile error? Where does it go wrong? No such file or directory. Really? So open recent, get LCD address. Ah, interesting. So where is it? It is inside the Arduino library. So then I have to put this and that means also that I do not use brackets, but that I use quotes. And I forgot a slash here. This should work. Let's see. This one. No. Alright. I have to see how it is really called then. Right. I have to check on this. Right, several errors. First, this directory was wrong. Then I had to capitalize several. Oh wait, this is wrong as well. So now it is correct, or should be correct anyway. Let's see whatever happens now. Right. So LCD was not declared in the scope. Then I'm going to do it different, like I said. Copy, paste, paste. And comment out. And now let's see. Oh wait. There's an ID necessary because it has to address 0x27, which I don't do anywhere. So, right. This may be all alright, but how do I address it? That is a nice idea to know. Because this may be nice, but okay, so they use it exactly like this, and then LCD, and then this one, right? So let's try it with this, exactly the same. If it does go wrong, we'll see. Alright, step by step. Init, replaced by LCD. Alright. So once again replacing everything, which isn't hard to do. LCD was not declared. Well, what did I just do? I declared it. Oh wait. Double amp, double semicolon. Nope. Okay. I really have to find out how this is. So this should be working. But why is LCD not declared? Is this in the same thing? No. This is here, and then in the setup. Oh wait, I made the mistake. This line should be here. Right. Go. This looks better. That that is to say, it does not look better. Undefined reference. It knows nothing, absolutely zero. And this is in the setup, and then you have a void loop. So it does not do at all what it should be doing. Ouch. Well, that's with experiments. You have no idea what to do and what to think. Well, you should know what to do, but in these cases, new stuff, oh well. Alright, things are not getting solved right now, not immediately. What I have here is the contents of exactly this library, the header file. And what do I see here? Everything that is supposed to be there, including the functions. And these functions are, well, clear, home I don't use, no display I don't use, display is not there, no blink, etc. Is there a cursor? No, there's a cursor. Going further. Here are some other functions, like wait a minute, no set cursor. So that's strange. It should be in here. So if I put, let's say, instead of set cursor, with a small c, print, do I see a print function? Not really, I see a print left and a print right. Let's do a print right. Clear. Yeah, there's clear. Print once again. Print. And the clear. Alright. I hope that this is enough. Let's do and see if there will be printed hello world here. If. Ooh. Oh, that is strange. There's no set cursor. There's no cursor with so can I find something in here? Yeah. Set cursor. Find. Okay, there's a set cursor, and that is even having 2 arguments, which is good. So, okay, set cursor. Then finding print. Not here, here. Print. Find next is F3. So let's go up, go here. There's no print function. Aha. So that is something that I did not expect to happen. And the question is, why is this different? Because I took the same library. So print, okay, let's do this. Okay, there's no print write. Oh, but that is without arguments. Okay. So that's finding it without arguments. And for the rest, nothing. So then, oh, public print. Aha. But for the rest, nothing. Print string. Constant character array. Alright, let's try that. Print string. And here, print string. Who knows? More errors. And we're back to where we were. So I think this is going to be a problem. But then again, why? Not quite sure. But I'm afraid that for now this is not going to work out. Another thing that I wonder about is the fact that apparently, contrary to other embedded devices, the program is not contained in here after I remove the power. So, okay, whatever. Yeah, time to wrap up. So that's it for this time. Wiring issue. An LCD that, well, at least is not broken. A clear I2C address. But unfortunately something with the library that doesn't allow it to, or doesn't let it compile. And yes, the very default hello world should be printed. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, like it, and leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like, leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. You can show your support and appreciation by making a small donation through PayPal or Wired. Please see my website. And to start this video, you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned as a supporter. Either on my website or with my videos, depending on the pledge you make. Up to you, but much appreciated. Like I said, everything is at the start of this video, but also under this video, in the description box, website and other information. To be continued. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.